Welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial. Woo-woo. So today I'm going to teach you angled brush I got from the Amazon set, and my favorite go-to mixed brow product is the eyebrow gel in color espresso. And this stuff comes out hard as hell. Oh, and my spoolie. Wow, I edited this a little fast. I'm taking my little spoolie. It came from my girl's lash line, that gaudy lash. I'll drop it down below. I'm just brushing out my brows here and making weird faces. Then I go back with that angle brush and I'm getting some of the product on, and here's where I outline my brows. I like to start outlining the bottom and then going on top of the tail. I hope this is all making sense, by the way. Right here is where I'm finishing off the tail, and I'm kind of going backwards, up to the brow, I guess. And I like to fill in from the bottom line and kind of move it upwards. I use my finger to rub it in, so it kind of gives that ombre effect, you know what I mean? I take my little spoolie and I'm just brushing it out. I really like the ombre brow. I hate boxy ass brows. It's just not for me. If it's for you, sis, go off. You, sir, go off. But me, it just don't look right on me. I look crazy. So I like brushing it out, and it gives me that kind of natural-esque brow. Mind you, this is my good brow, so yeah. Finger snaps, ayy. Now on to the next brow. I'm doing the same thing, but I sped this one up. Do not go fast. When you're doing your brows, do not go fast. And this is where I messed up. The look of regret. Y'all. Don't do that. I don't know what possessed me to go so high on my brow, but I think I just want to get this tutorial out really bad, and it caused me my brow, so I'm sorry. I was just excited and I messed up my brow. Anyways, doing the same thing, brushing out the front, trying to keep it pretty I don't know, y'all. I'm sorry. This is I realized I messed up. Can we just have a look at this hot ass mess of a brow? Not even my good brow looks good, bruh. I was tight. But here's my foundation bag. It has all my concealers, and it has my LA Pro Conceal, LA Girl Pro Conceal. I can't speak. This is my shade, in the shade Fawn, and then this one I use under my brows is medium beige. And I have this flat brush. That's what I said in the video. Flat brush. I took my flat brush. I also came from that same Amazon set, and I use it to outline. This makes a humongous difference. I know, y'all. I am tripping over this brow. Tripping. Okay, I'm a perfectionist, so you're gonna see along the journey. I'm a perfectionist. I'm a little crazy. But yes, I take the lighter color to outline the bottom of my brows. See, I was already making a difference. Wow. So yeah, it's wow. I love doing brows, y'all. It's an art. Y'all know this original video was 19 minutes long, and look how short I got it. Genius, am I right? Anyways, so I'm just blending it out. No, I'm not blending out 100%. In the end of this, y'all gonna see. It's just whatever, it's fine. Anyways, I'm gonna take Fawn, my original shade, and put that on the top, because you don't want halo brows. We don't want halo brows, okay? So we take your natural skin color and 2 shades above your conceal shade. And here is where I'm carving my tail. I like a sharp tail, okay? Oh, I also see where I cut too deep. I'm sorry, I was opening the camera. Brows take you through a roller coaster of emotions, okay? So my face has changed. But essentially, I'm just carving out my brow to perfection. Although these brows is nothing near perfection. I promise y'all, my brows look better than this. Anytime I do my brows, I was just on camera. I was pressured. It just don't look right. I'm sorry, this is not my best work, but I did my very best. Trust me. Along my YouTube journey, I will definitely have way more updated brow routines, because this is so rough. But yes, I take a long time on my brow. This video took a long time. A long time. But yeah, I'm just blending out my fingers. And I'm looking at it because my camera fell. I'm on my phone because I filmed this on my phone. Can you believe this is A+ back quality? Oh, y'all thought this was done? It's not. Oh, renegade. No, it was doing out west. Oh, sorry. Clear brow gel. Oh, dance break. Okay, go off. So I was taking my clear brow gel And that, oh, that spoolie is dirty. Oh my god, y'all, I'm sorry, I'm really a mess. First YouTube video and it's a damn mess. I'm embarrassed. And that brow, look at the rest. Oh my god, okay, instead of clowning myself, let me just keep going. Anyway, this is literally the last step. Just brushing all this out. And before y'all come for me at the end of the video talking about your concealer is not blended in, usually I do an eyeshadow look right after this. Like I'm not one of the girls who can just do brows and then put on some lashes and lip gloss. No, because I look crazy. When I do my brows, it's always like the concealer, I bring down the concealer on my eyelids, concealer the eye base for my eyeshadow and do a full beat. I can't just do brows and lashes. It just don't work for me. So before y'all come for me in the comments, yeah, woo, yay, it's done. Oh, and here's some bloopers because I'm in that job. Okay, bye.